Okay, so I'm gonna declare two constants, and they are the camera width and the camera height. And basically, this is gonna be the canvas that we're gonna draw onto. Now, Androids have different screen sizes, but no matter what device it's gonna run on, whatever we're gonna draw onto is not gonna change. So basically, the image is either gonna get stretched to the actual size of the device, or it's gonna have black bars on the top and the bottom, or at the sides. We have the option to choose which one we wanna go with. Okay, next we're gonna declare some fields, and it's gonna be a camera type variable, and we're gonna have to import the camera object, and let's go to the AndEngine method, where let's see, we're gonna create a new camera. So I'm gonna type this dot my camera equals new camera, and it wants 4 parameters, and it wants 4 numbers. It basically wants the size of this thing, so it's gonna be 0 0, and it's gonna be the camera underscore width, and it's gonna be camera underscore height. And this is basically gonna be our canvas, and that's what we're gonna draw onto. Okay, the other thing that the AndEngine needs to do is it needs to return an engine. So let's do that. So I'm gonna say return new. I'm gonna use fixed step engine, and same thing, we're gonna have to import it. And I use fixed step engine because it runs at you tell it how many frames per second you want, and that's pretty much it. It wants an engine options parameter, and the second is the frame rate. So I'm gonna set it to 30 for the frame rate, and it wants an engine option. So we're gonna create a new engine options, and the engine options wants a let's see, imported, and it wants a couple parameters. The first thing is a boolean, meaning you want it full screen or not. The second is the screen orientation, and it wants a resolution policy, and the last thing is it wants a camera. So we want it full screen, so it's gonna be true. And then the second, the orientation for this game is gonna be screen orientation dot landscape, and the engine, the ratio, and the third option, we want a resolution policy. So we're gonna have to create a new ratio resolution policy, and that thing oops, I'm gonna have to import this, and let's see, import this, and this thing wants 2 numbers, the size of the of the screen. So right now we're gonna get, say, camera underscore width, and then camera underscore height. And the last thing it wants is a camera object. So we're gonna say this dot my camera. Okay, so this thing, what this will do right now is we have a canvas of 800 by 480, and it's basically, that's what we're going to draw onto. If the screen of the Android matches that, we have no problem. If it's wider than that, then there's going to be black bars on the side. If it's taller than that, then there's going to be black bars on the top of the bottom. And the actual size doesn't matter. It will stretch the image. So it's only the aspect ratio that matters.